Firstly, content. Introduction to company Raspberry Limited. Project was on black box testing, cloud firewall. What I intern, long and lastly conclusion. Now, introduction to Raspberry Limited Company. Raspberry is a cybersecurity based company. Raspberry is not only the leading cybersecurity service provider but also a pioneer to make change in the area of cybersecurity knowledge. Raspberry always focused on innovation idea, established a secure environment rather than following traditional methods. Working methodology of Bugsbody is always different than others, so that maintenance of security operation in an own way. This company helps nation, governments, and business around the world defend themselves against cybercrime, reduce the risks, the connect work capably, the regulation and transformation their operation. This company to make significant change the area of data protection, user behavior analyzed, employee monitoring, and become a worldwide leader. Project I have worked on: black box testing, vulnerability reporting, uh, cloud firewall, firewall configured to protect the network. Some screenshot the next slide. Black box testing. Uh, this is the screenshot of my project. This is the URL. Security manual. This is the time. Get an update time. And this is the total result. This is the URL IP. No high risk, medium on risk, low on risk, block 21, false positive 0. Total 1 is the result. This is the result per host. This IP host can start this time service port and third level. TCP medium, general TCP low, general CPET log, uh, 443 TCP log, general TCP log, 18 by TCP log. Black box testing involves testing a system with the no prior knowledge of this internal working. A tester provides an input and observe the output generated by the system under list. Uh, Working black box testing. Following there is basic step needed to perform black box testing. Firstly, the specification and requirement of the system deal with. Secondly, the tester would choose logical input that is positive the test scenario in order to check out whether such is processed them correctly or not. In addition, invalid input also that is the negative test scenario is also chosen. The test check the such who can detect them. Thirdly, tester would be determined accepted output of all valid inputs. Fourthly, the software tester can test case with those select and valid inputs. Fifthly, created test cases are executed. Sixthly, software tester distinguishing between the actual output with the accepted output and check if they are same. Lastly, if any are found, they are fixed and retest. This cloud firewall. This is the network diagram on connected firewall. The most prevalent types of firewall appear to software firewall, hardware firewall, or both, depending on the structure. Each type of firewall accomplishes the same goal but different characters. It is nonetheless preferable to have a both best possible protected. On hardware-based firewall, a hardware-based firewall is a detector that acts as a secure gateway between a device on the networks inside and outside the boundaries. Software-based firewall. A software-based host firewall is not is one that runs on a server or other device. Third, firewall hosted on cloud. File configuration. File configuration involves the configuring domain name and internet protocol address, and completing several other action to keep firewall secure. Firewall policy configuration is based on network type called profile that can be set up with secure role to prevent cyber attack. Example: the local node has IP address 222.222.222.222 and listening port 2264. Its secure port for combination with the remote node are 20,000 from 2020. The remote node IP address 333.333.333.333 and the listening port 3364. Its secure port communicating the local node are 3000 from 3030 300. What I learned? I learned in this internship how black box testing works, vulnerability testing, firewall configuration. Conclusion: black box testing is a testing software from the end user perspective. If done correctly, it is an excellent way to ensure the system work in line with users' acceptance without worrying about the system inner working. A firewall is the most important except to overall security, since it is a enforced authentication upon all users and all inbound and outbound traffic is monitored. Thank you, everyone.